Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 chapter number 2 components of food, the sources of vitamins, what are the deficiency and disorders, diseases and symptoms. First of all, before starting this, I would like to explain you in the previous video. I had explained you about the vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, E and K and some minerals. In this video, we are going to learn about what are the vitamins, where they are present, and if we will not take with the lack of these vitamins, with the loss of these vitamins, which type of disease we are going to occur, and what are the symptoms of the disease, how we will understand that this type of disease we are having, or we do not understand that because of which vitamins lack we are going to have these symptoms, and which are the symptoms of which diseases. So if we learn this table, then definitely we will able to understand. I would like to request you now pause the video for a second, just write this table in your notebook. I'm going that side, and please just pause this video and write this whole table in your notebook. I will be waiting for 2 seconds. I hope all of you have written. Now let's start. That vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K, and some minerals like calcium, iodine, iron. There are many vitamins, but I have written here only main things which we have to study in standard 6, because right now we are only in standard 6. That's why we don't have to study all those vitamins, but I will like to inform you that how many types of vitamins are there. See here, vitamin A, and here I have written only vitamin B, but I am telling you the vitamin B is a B complex, B1, B2, B6, B12 and B. There are 5 or 6 types of vitamin B1. Okay, vitamin B complex is vitamin B, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, the complex of vitamin B. Then vitamin C is there, vitamin D is there, vitamin E and vitamin K are there. Vitamins after then calcium, iodine, iron, zinc, many more minerals are also there. But here in standard 6 we have to study all this. So let's start. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, can you tell me from which type of vegetables do vitamin A comes? Vitamin A comes from green leafy vegetables like broccoli, spinach and many more that leaf is green and which we are eating. That type of vegetable contains vitamin A. If we are not taking that type of vegetables, means if we are not taking vitamin A, what would happen? There will be loss of vision or night blindness. We will not be able to see. Nowadays you will be seeing that small kids are wearing specs. Why? Because there is a loss of vision. They are not able to see the nearer things or far things. So because of lack of vitamin A, the loss of vision and night blindness came in. And how you will understand that you are having a night blindness or lack of vitamin A? Because you will be not able to see properly, means poor vision. Lost vision in darkness, means at the night when there is no light, we will not be able to see. You may have seen in a movie called Bold Radha Bold. In that movie, Kader Khan is also having night blindness. After 6 p.m. in the evening, he was not able to see anything. So similarly, when they are going into the dark places or loss of vision in the darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision, means they will be not able to touch. You will be seeing that their eyes are open, but they are not able to see what is there, means their eyes are open, they are seeing everything, but they are not be able to see because of lack of vitamin A. Okay, now second one is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 causes, means lack of vitamin B causes beriberi, and beriberi is a disease. How you will understand that this person is having beriberi or not? So they are going to have weak muscles and very little energy to work. Sometimes when we are getting a lot of work, we do not feel very energetic. So means we are feeling always weakness. So this is because of lack of vitamin B1. So beriberi is a disease which causes due to the lack of vitamin B1, and weak muscles and very little energy to work are the symptoms of lack of vitamin B1, that is beriberi. Now because of lack of vitamin C, it will be scurvy. Scurvy is a bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Means what I want, you will see in the scurvy what happens nowadays. People are not doing brush also properly. So because of lack of doing cleaning of tooth and gums, they get bleeding in their gums, right? So this bleeding in the gums causes scurvy. The scurvy is a disease which is due to the lack of vitamin C. Vitamin C means all the that orange, lemon, means all the curdy type fruits causes vitamin C, and if you are taking that vitamin, then you will never have a scurvy. And if you are not taking that vitamin C, then you will have scurvy, and scurvy symptoms are bleeding gums. Sometimes wounds will take longer time to heal. You will see somewhere, if anywhere wounds is there, means it is burnt, anywhere place is burnt or scratched, so it will take a long time to recover that. Means that's why, because of lack of vitamin C. You must take, whenever any wound is there or any scratch are there, so you must take vitamin C. It will complete within 2 or 3 days. So now vitamin D, all of us know vitamin D, sunlight, and because of lack of vitamins D, a small boy has rickets. Rickets means what? Rickets is a disease which symptoms are bones become soft and bend easily. You will see their bones are very soft, means in their whole body they do not have muscles everywhere, they are having bones only. And if they are having bones, and it can be flexible in any direction, it can be bent. So this is due to the lack of vitamin D. Vitamin D also have many sources, but the main source is sunlight. Calcium. Now these are the minerals: calcium, iodine and iron. Remember, dear students, if you want to have more and more calcium, nowadays drumstick is being sold in the vegetable market. You must eat the drumsticks, you must take milk every day. So if you are not getting proper amount of calcium in your body, means there is a lack of calcium, then you will have bones and tooth decay. Your bones will be very weak. If anybody will hit you on your bones will be fully broken down and you have to do plaster. So that's why, if you want to make strong bones and strong tooth, then you must take calcium. And because of the lack of calcium, your bones become too much weak, your tooth also started decaying. Next one is iodine. If you are not taking iodine, you may be seeing that some of the persons are having here a big round on their neck, that is called goiter. Goiter is a disease which is causes due to the lack of iodine, and glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. You may be saying that some person or some children are not capable to give question answers. Teacher is teaching very well, student is listening also very well, but he is not able to give answer. So this is because of lack of iodine. You must take iodine proper, and if you are not taking iodine, then you may have a disease called goiter, or you will see the glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Mental disability, their minds will not work properly. Last but not the least, iron. If you will not have proper iron in your body, then you may be having a disease called anemia. So because of lack of iron, you can have anemia. What are the symptoms of anemia? Weakness. You will be seeing always that a person is feeling weakness, he is not able to do any work properly because of lack of iron. So this was our chart. You can take a screenshot also as I'll move from this video. But I just want to inform you, if you are having a knowledge about all these vitamins, then not only for subjects, not only for taking marks, you can keep yourself healthy also, because nowadays keeping healthy is the most thing in our life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are having still any doubt that what are the sources, if you don't know, then please write in the comment box. Definitely I'll provide you all the answers of your question. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends, so your friends can also have good knowledge about the vitamins and they can also take care of their health. Thanks for watching. Take a screenshot.